Hello everyone, this is the first lecture of microprocessor, and in this lecture we are going to learn features of 8086, and the main point that we will discuss afterward is the architecture. So in the first unit, so this is the syllabus of the unit, and in the first unit we are going to learn the architecture diagram and the modes of operations of 8086. So these are the features of 8086. So first main important feature is 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor. The term 16-bit means that it's arithmetic logical unit. All internal registers and most of the instructions are designed to work with 16-bit binary data. The 8086 has a size of the data bus is 16-bit, so it can read or write the data from the memory and all the ports which is available, either of maximum of size 16-bit. So 8-bit data processing is possible and 16-bit data processing is possible. As we know that there is a 16-bit 16-bit data bus, and 8086 has 20-bit address bus, so it can access directly the memory of size 2 raised to 20. That is, if we calculate 2 raised to 20, then it is around 10,000. So this is 1048,576 bytes of memory location, and in the short it is called as a 1 megabyte memory. So the addressing capacity is 20-bit, and that's why the maximum memory that is accessed by 8086 is 1 megabyte. These are the two important features of the 8086. Then next, that it has a 16-bit IO addresses, and so it has a total, if we calculate, then 65,536 IO ports. So these many addresses are available for input and output port. By default, as we know, that is 16-bit address bus is data bus is there, and that's why the 16-bit is the value of, by default, all the registers are of size 16-bit. So 8086 by default size of the registers are 16. It has a multiplex address and data bus. So 16 bits of the address and data bus are in the multiplexing format, and that's why first address will be appear in the address bus, and then the data will appear on the and the same bus. 8086 has one phase clock, 33% duty cycle to provide optimized internal timing, and the range of the clock that it's operate on 5 megahertz to 10 megahertz. So 5 megahertz operating frequency for 8086, 8 megahertz for 8086 second version, and 10 megahertz first version. Okay, so the total operating frequency range is 5 to 10 megahertz. So these are the cycles, clock cycle period of the 8086. The next important feature is it can operate in the two modes, okay, minimum and maximum mode. When only a single 8086 processor is used in a microcomputer system, then it is called as a minimum mode of operation. And when we are using more than one processor in a system, at that time we can call it as a maximum mode of operation. So in the maximum mode, control signals are generated with the help of external bus controller 8266. So this is external, and in this mode there are more than one processors are available in the network. So this is regarding the features of the 8086. So this is regarding the features of 8086.